Rick, the static nomadic. Been a long time, hasn't it? Yeah. I was kind of going through some old videos, and I was like, damn, I haven't been on YouTube in, it's like 5 years, 4 years, somewhere in there. So, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know I was alive. And, didn't forget about y'all. It's just that my life took a whole lot of different turns from the time I went trucking to, well, to now. So, if you're still interested in my content or any of the backstory on this, let me know. Otherwise, yeah, I just won't even waste my time here. So, peace, people.
Thank you.